First, the top news headlines. Manipur Speaker defies Minister T. Syam Kumar as Member of Assembly. COVID-19 claims 21 lives in India. Cases crossed 900 mark. Air India flight brings medical kits to Imphal. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Speaker Yumnam Khemchan today disqualified the state's Forest and Environment Minister Thongnawjam Syamkumar as a member of the Assembly. The Speaker Tribunal ordered that Syamkumar would cease to be a member of the Assembly with immediate effect till the expiry of its current term, which is March 28 to 2022. The Supreme Court had earlier this month ordered his removal based on a disqualification petition filed by two Congress leaders. The duo had argued that Syam Kumar had violated the provisions of 10th schedule of the Constitution. Later, on March 26, Syam Kumar had put in his papers to the Speaker. After hearing both parties say, the Speaker ordered his disqualification. Syam Kumar was elected from Andhra constituency in Imphal East in the last State Assembly polls, but later switched side to BJP and became a minister in the coalition government led by N. Biren.
Qualification for being a member of the Manipur Legislative Assembly in terms of paragraph 2, clause 1, subclause A of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India, read with Article 191, clause 2 of the Constitution of India. The respondent thus ceases to be a member of the Manipur Legislative Assembly with immediate effect from this date, that is 28/3/2020, till the expiry of the term of this Assembly, that is 11 Legislative Assembly of Manipur.
In a statement, Manipur Assembly Secretary M. Ramani Devi said, Thongnawjam Syam Kumar, elected from Andhra constituency, has been disqualified from the membership of Manipur Legislative Assembly today. Consequent upon his disqualification, the Andhra seat in the House is lying vacant. Congress MLA K. Meghachandra, while welcoming the verdict, said that nobody can go against the Constitution. Protecting the Constitution is respecting democracy. COVID-19 has claimed 21 lives in India as of today. According to data from the Health Ministry and state governments, as many as 918 people have tested positive for the coronavirus. The outbreak has infected some 580,000 people and killed over 26,000 around the world after emerging in China in December 2019. According to reports, in United States, the coronavirus infections climbed past 1 lakh with more than 1,600 deaths. In India, 7 were tested coronavirus positive in Kashmir, while 10 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been detected in Karnataka in the last 15 hours, taking the total number to 74 in the state. And in Rajasthan, the 2 new COVID-19 positive cases are both nursing staff of emergency at a private hospital in Bhilwara. With this, the tally in the 54. China will share its data related to the novel coronavirus pandemic with the US, and the country will learn from Beijing's experience. President Donald Trump has said a day after he held an hour-long conversation with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping, according to a media report, days after the US president angered Beijing by referring to the coronavirus as Chinese virus, and his Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said China's ruling Communist Party posed a substantial threat to Americans' health and their way of life. Xi Jinping assured full support to Trump in fighting the coronavirus as America emerged as the next major epicenter of the pandemic, but underlined that infectious diseases did not recognize any border or race. An Air India flight today brought medical kits and equipment to Imphal for combating COVID-19 in Manipur. Flight number AI 1890 landed at the Bir Tikendrizi International Airport at 3:15. This supply from the center includes 1,200 PPAs, sanitizers, digital infrared thermometers and masks, officials said. The Manipur government is taking up all possible measures to ease the difficulties faced by the public during the ongoing nationwide lockdown, besides leaving no stone unturned in combating outbreak of the virus in the state. Curfew was relaxed in different districts today to allow people to buy essential items. Meanwhile, Manipur has so far recorded only one COVID-19 case. The 23-year-old woman is currently undergoing treatment at the ICU ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Imphal. Health officials said all parameters of the patient are now normal. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau phongbiragani. Sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, phuri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya layingbada kanaba piri. Thau si thakpadi yade. Akupa moral gidama contact taubiyo sangbrai thau kyamgai maning laikai. Contact number 9366949811.
Welcome back after the break. Amid the ongoing lockdown in Manipur, the state police detained 14 auto rickshaws, 1 jeep, 2 e-rickshaws and 20 two-wheelers in different locations of Imphal city today for violating the ongoing public curfew, a report informed. Under the initiative of Federation of Government College Teachers Association, Phegokta Manipur, government college teachers in Manipur will donate one-day salary to Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. The decision came after an emergency meeting of Phegokta on 26th of this month. A press release from the association informed today. A drug peddler was arrested by Thobal Police Commando in front of UBI Bank, Thobal Bazaar, yesterday evening. The arrested has been identified as Sagosem Santi Singh, age 51 years, of BS Company, a police report said today. The police recovered 15 grams of suspected heroin, an I-10 car bearing registration number MN01S6959, 3 live rounds of 9mm pistol, 1 double-barrel gun, 3 live rounds of double-barrel, 1 empty cartridge of double-barrel, and a chest small arm holster from his possession. All Manipur SSA Teachers Association has appealed to all Sarva Siksha Abhiyan teachers in Manipur to voluntarily and generously donate their one-day salary to Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund to help fight against the deadly virus. TOMTV has started a new program, Your Choice, Adongi Khonjel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 940-249-1494 or 841-587-5 5251 or 841-3956-065 or 961-2928-767 or 811-9080-500 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist to bring a change in the state. Get ready, be the first citizen journalist. Send now.
Kayao langdungi ngarang dang de cheng yelanina lauthore lauthokbaje ngasi ayuktagi yenba hawreba yenba hawbaje botar amada cheng kiji ani makha khatane be yelje khoi somgi langdumgi oina adu cheng ani kiji ani makha yenbaje imungda mi tayet lebe yawi ni pal lebe yawi adu botal panbadi ahan ani khata pale ba khoi mi tayet lebe jida ani khak panbaje cheng kiji moi ani gi cheng kiji ani manga phangeba manga phangbaje botal jandaba khoi di chara henbe phibam da laeba adagi mu gyasu laktre gyasu phangdre khabarju lakte gyasu laitre hoji gas laitrami chakse karai da thongduiba chingju laite aduga dukan gi pochai dukan jo yamna thong lonare du lol gi pochai lening baju laiba phangdre mamanjum yam wange ba pochai je dagi injang na pisu dukan jo ta phamdre ne injang na pi yon baju am ta laitre na khodi hingonju laite injang na karai dagi laiduba cheng na karai dagi gas na karai dagi yamna khudong cha da ba am ni jing mayong nei je adu mai leina ba sing na kitang so mai gai jam tai mamuta na am tang yeng je haningi
Manipurda aruba tampamasi labanina sadabdi adamnina sura noma saba singsi yengaga manung hanjanba singsi damuta awala pasi yeng chanbiu amadi ari quarantine center sing si mafam sana thambiu ari helgi aikogi number sing amadi pi adu khangdaba kayam su yauri masina khai sengna khangnanaba aikogi lambi sorokta natragana aikoi TV da kari da advertise tawbiraga mobile da kari da advertise tawbiraga phone singsi aikoi gi YouTube ta thabra khotpra tawraga masi miyam da phanghan bi baduni aruga khara town area da leibidi khara phai khara remote area da leiba singi manung hanjan da leiba amadi leita lairaba singda di masi gi contact number phangna ba bisu awabani aduna koina haijari imundigi thokpiganu masi hek thuuba matamda aikogi awaba se dumak mayuk narabane ana khanbiu aru imungda laibibasina aikogi khwaidagi phaba shape haibadu oire masi aikoi matam kharadi aikoi waminagi si haibasi aigi site gi thamjari
Honorable Chief Minister na Prajamyamda Kutsatara Lonaduna yumdagi mapan thopiganu hairaga sorok lamjawda gari macha na chingba thoklagliba asina karigino thoktaba yadaba tangai mak phadaba emergency gumbadi kaide adu nattana kharna kumai yengbo oina tholokpasi tawanjaningdi kawroidaba amana laina asigi hojiksu medicine letri hojikti lockdown haibani karimba shutdown haiba wal to lakpa targadi akoi karimta phangoi karimta chaningai thaningai leiroi leibaju phangoi kanaguma yumthangnaba kairo lekaida leiragadi kanaguma chaningai thaningai lehaudaba yamna waraba adungba family orga khartang oju mating pangbiba phai hujik akoi taraina loba yade hujikki matamjide amaga yamna mating pangnaba handaki covid 19 asi thengnanaba akoi punna lingjan manasi akoi yamna pakhatpa tawdana matam khardang yumda warbasu wana icha isu singa matam lenminasi khangminasi masina koi soidana covid 19 bu maithiba piba ngamgani
Volunteers of Pamyal Club and Maira Paibi organization jointly distributed rice to the residents of Patsoi Part 2 Makhalikai today under National Food Security Act NFSA. Showing solidarity to Manipur government's effort in combating the coronavirus, all teachers under the Department of Education S Manipur are donating one-day salary towards the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. In this regard, Manipur Government Higher Secondary School Lecturers Welfare Association General Secretary cum Joint Teachers Forum JTF convener M. Jadumani Singh urged all to make contribution in fighting the deadly virus.
Najaraba Manipur Chief Secretary Amasung Director of Education S Government of Manipur Sar T.I. Kiran Kumar Nasu appeal to wiki bagaloinana coronavirus ki waraba matamachida akoi wajashing nasu nomugi uibatolo dan tawa yajare machigi damakta nuksijaraba wajashing punongpu thagachari akoi punamangna CM's COVID-19 relief funda nomugi tolo dan tawasi damakta
Nisikanta Singh Sapam, owner of the Sangha Express, today donated Rs 5 lakh to Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. Nisikanta, along with the editor of the Sangha Express, Khogendra Khomdram Manipuri edition, handed over the check to the Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren Singh. All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam Apunba Iraipak Mahiroi Singlop Ames and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam have loaded the state government for providing 20 kgs of rice to every household free of cost during the COVID-19 lockdown. However, the three student organizations condemned some local MLAs for politicizing the distribution exercise. The student bodies have given a deadline of 5 days to ensure timely distribution of rice to the public. In a press note, the student bodies also informed that they have opened a grievance cell for students staying in rented houses during the lockdown. The grievance cell numbers are 8974710045 or 700-560-6920 and 8729955052. The student bodies added that they will address the grievances of students and solve their problems at the earliest. Let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Recording.
Thanganjaba Kanagumba Miyoi Karana Liglagi uniform setuna Chana Thanaba Polam Sing Saba factory unit amada Yamna Hangoiningai Oina Chathaba Tabak Singi video ama social media da Sandurakli. Taudogasida Hakting Chenariba Miyoi Singasi Nilakuchida Leba Food Park Companies gi Pet Bottle Blowing Division gi Thomi Aktani. Adubu Sandurakli ba video asida Uriba Mafamasidi Liglagi factory nate. Atopa food manufacturing unit amagini amadi mafam maduda chanapathap wangmalana miyoi sing asina changduna asigumba mathong huktaba thabak sing asi tawrambani masina maram oiraga liglana awangba thakta quality control tawduna puthokchariba chananaba potlam sing asi miyamda chingnaba pokhanaba achoba machak amo helli chenariba miyoi sing asigi mathakta inquiry chathaduna company policy gi matung ina lokhatpham thokpa thabak sing lokhalagani Liglagi polam sing asi yamna checksina yengsinduna mamangai gum quality laina amadi hygienic oina adumak puthokigani haina miyamda thajaba pijari loinana kanagumba miyoi singna liglagi food manufacturing unit singda laktuna yengbining lebasu liglana thonglauna hangduna thamjari laibak thiba thawdogasina liglabu miyamna lana uhanbiganu amadi lana lamjingbiganu khanghanjariba thangjam joy kumar managing director ligla.
Welcome back. BJP Manipur Pradesh former Vice President Thokchom Jadumani extended aid to disabled and underprivileged people in Khangabo constituency today. BJP Thabal District President Yumnam Kumarjit Singh accompanied Jadumani in visiting the residents. Proprietor of Sapam Pharmacy Khongjo Market Thobal Sapam Binamadhop today distributed 20 100 ml hand sanitizers, 50 masks and 100 hand gloves to Khongjom Police Station to encourage the police personnel in combating the coronavirus. On the other hand, Singa Idol Club, in association with Wangkhem Gram Panchayat, carried out fogging exercise in all the localities under the Gram Panchayat as a precautionary step against the virus. Lairongthel Gram Panchayat Pradhan, along with ward members and local club members, also sprayed bleaching powder in the Lairongthel Gram Panchayat area and distributed masks to the residents. Lilong Municipal Council Imphal West, in association with Manipur Fire Service and Singjam Police Station, today sprayed disinfectants at all locations under Lilong Municipality Council Imphal West. Lilong Municipality Council Chairperson L. Lalmani Singh urged all to stay at home and help in preventing the virus outbreak. Fire Service Jiribam Municipal Council and Jiribam Police jointly sanitized Jiribam Municipality area to help combat COVID-19 outbreak. Disinfectants were sprayed at roads and public places like markets, railways and parking lots. Executive Officer of Jiribam Municipality Council M. Surjit Singh said that such sanitization program will continue and appeal to the people to cooperate with the government in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.
Coronavirus COVID-19 gi mayokta id sandokpa thingnabagi id khra toisu mating pangnabi damakta Jiribam Municipal Council na ngasiga humi sure ekoi ward number 4, 5, 10 amadi commercial area sing public places sing ekoi Jiribam railway station Jirik market adudagidi ekoi bus termination laiba mayam sing ase ekoi ngasi bawdo ji leptana ekoi sanitize tawjari makhatana chu ekoi sanitization program si chanjalaki gani loina ekoi hariba sanitization program si Jiribam police fire service amadi Jiribam Municipal Council ga punna hariba sanitization program asi ekoi punna chatha jamina bani amakusu en ai miyam da appeal tawjari ekoi coronavirus asi thingnana hona bada ekoi praja miyam na mating pangiduna yum da laibiu yarima khai mapan thokpidana ba dagar ta ba pochei leina bagi damak su ekoi mi amam khak oina akang mi amam khak mapan thokpiraga pochei laibiu haiduna ai miyam da appeal tawjari.
Taking part in the sanitization program, Superintendent of Police M. Movi Singh said that Jiribam Fire Service, Jiribam Municipal Council and Jiri Police along with paramilitary forces at the railway station are working jointly to fight against COVID-19 outbreak and monitoring trains and vehicles entering into the district from the other states.
Jiribam district na laiba driver sing train da laiba miyoi sing labor sing laiba sing je koina makoi matam leba khibita hairiba lena asi sadukna ba masibo koina ngak thokpa ngamba khoi level da koina lau dube adaba taseng namak madugi pongthang amoina hojisu mafam masida khoi step asi lokson jari aduna driver sing daina hanna na appeal tawjari asai soina hajegre driver khuding mangna dakpiri ba driver sing na masa nungai tabal leragadi anak pada leriba territorial army gi medical team leri mokoi da pau pibiyo anak pada leriba SP da any ekoi control room number noi da koi na pi hrabani maduda ekoi da pau pibiyo nungai taba matang leba matam da athuba matam da ambulance leri medical team ekoi koi punna koi work toroba liminary aduna punna maksige mayang ya phane bi damakta ekoi na hona jariba sida driver sing na sojok pibigani.
Police this morning resorted to blank firing in order to disperse an unruly crowd amid lockdown in Assam's New Bongaigaon area. According to reports, the Bongaigaon police, while ensuring that no one ventures out in the open in groups, had to open fire in the air to quell the crowd at Bhawalguri market near New Bongaigaon railway junction. This morning also witnessed people coming out in huge numbers to purchase essential items. They were seen defying the rules of gathering in groups with no social distance. Some teenagers also reportedly had pelting stones at the police team. In retaliation, the Bongaigaon police fired in the air to disperse the crowd. The Mizoram government yesterday officially designated State Referral Hospital, Joram Medical College as Isolation and Treatment Center for COVID-19 infected patients, an official statement said. The move was taken as per the guidelines set up the central government to acquire suitable hospitals and nursing home for isolation and treatment center of infected patients, the statement said. As per reports, officials of Joram Medical College said vacating of beds at the medical college is under progress to make room for both suspected and infected patients of COVID-19. They said all OPDs were closed and inpatients are being shifted to Aizawl Civil Hospital and private hospitals in the state capital. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive for coronavirus and is self-isolating in Downing Street. He said he had experienced mild symptoms over the past 24 hours, including a temperature and cough, but would continue to lead the government. Another 181 people died with the virus in the past day, according to media reports. It takes the total number of UK deaths to 759, with 14,543 confirmed cases.
I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus, that's to say a temperature and a persistent cough. And on the advice of the chief medical officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive. So I am working from home, I'm self-isolating, and that's entirely the right thing to do. But be in no doubt that I can continue, thanks to the wizardry of modern technology, to communicate with all my top team to lead the national fight back against coronavirus.
United States President Donald Trump signed into law yesterday a historic $2 trillion stimulus package as the American public and the U.S. economy fight the devastating spread of COVID-19, according to reports. The far-reaching legislation stands as the largest emergency aid package in U.S. history. It represents a massive financial injection into a struggling economy with provisions aimed at helping American workers, small businesses, and industries grappling with the economic disruption. The House of Representatives earlier in the day approved the bill that passed the Senate earlier this week, overcoming last-minute drama by using an unusual procedural move to 12 demand by a conservative Republican to force members to vote in person. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur Speaker disqualifies Minister T.H. Syamkumar as Member of Assembly. COVID-19 claims 21 lives in India, cases cross 900 mark. And Air India flight brings medical kits to Imphal. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.